Hey YouTube, today I'm going to make a puja mandir. This is a standing type puja mandir, this is 67-inch height, so your eyesight will be directly facing here, so you can stand and pray. As you can see, I made a small plan. This is 35-inch. Then over that I'm going to get, so the 67 inches just the base, not the cobram. So the base is around 24-inch, 19-inch is a cabinet cupboards and two drawers, which will extend. I will show this model. So this is what I'm going to make. So I ordered a red oak plywood from Home Depot, which will be 4 into 8 feet. That's a standard size. So I did cut everything into 30.5, 30.5 and 35. That is one plywood, and my second plywood is around 30, 30, 36. This is the size I did cut from that. So this is a pre-cut size. So this is a half an inch plywood. This goes backside of the puja mandir. This is the plywood pre-cut for 30 to 35 inch length, so I can carry it in my car. So we did the cut for 1, 2 and 3 base, and now I'm going to do the side piece cut, which is 14 1/4 into 24. Okay, so I did put holes in both the pieces. You can see bottom 3 and the top 3, so that's the same process for the other board. So now I have my side piece here, and you can see I had given like a half an inch for the look outside, so it's laying inside like this, and the pocket hole screws are here. I'm going to use some glues first, and I'm going to place. Now it is just, I just kept it because I have the clamp support, so it is going to hold and help me out. So now completed the base, and let's put the top and screw that in this. So now let's go ahead and measure the back side of this, which is going to be the half an inch plywood. Okay, so now I marked 4 3/4. I'm giving like quarter inch for the draw to go and sit on it, and you can see already my plywood is, I had put the pocket hole screw and sanded it. So let's go ahead and place the plywood here. So as you can see, I decided to go with the center part larger. So this is 19 and sides are 12.5, and these boards still I didn't attach. You can see I have the pocket hole screws, and it's easy to make the box, then measure it, then cut it. Okay, I did add these two pieces at the side, so it would be easy for me to keep the 3/4 inch plywood here and screw it from here, so it will be detachable whenever you wanted. And in the back side you can see there is a half an inch gap for the half an inch board to sit here. Okay, so my top piece is ready. So what I did is I did pre-fit. You can see the linings for the 3/4 inch plywood where it is going to go, and a support for the plywood where I can screw it from this side at the bottom, so it pulls the plywood towards it. and a half an inch gap where the backside board would sit in this half an inch exactly. So I don't need to align. All I need to do is match this and slide it inside. See here, it exactly sits at the inner side. All I need to do is put it and push it behind, and the half an inch gap would exactly fit there. So, and you can see how accurate it is. You see, this is flush and the back side is flush. So visually you can say, right, when you are doing a cobram, it has to go this way, pointed like a pyramid, right? So it has to be this way. So you know the angle is going to be like this. If you need to cut that angle, you have to be keeping 45-degree on your right hand side. So let's make that cut first. Then from the bottom, let's measure 46 is what I want. So 46, then let's make the second cut on the other side. Some fibers, just sand it slightly with a sanding block, then you can put the glue and pin it. Okay, I did dry fit this one. I didn't still glue or nail this one. So this is the mahogany wood and this is the half cut pillar, you can see. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a second set of um, draw slides here. Then this will again extend up to 10 inch, so which will be decent enough for me if I'm going to do some puja and I need to keep some banana leaves. I can manage to keep it within this 20 inch. So I'm going to attach these two with a clip. So this is how it will open first. Then if I pull the second one, it will come like this. Okay, I did cut the bottom piece over to the exact size. I'm going to add it here. So I'll have a spacer here on the top so it doesn't rub on the top piece. Then I'll pin to the bottom drawer. Then I'll put some pocket hole screws. Okay, so the door is going to be with the same plywood. So you can see I had kept a piece of spacer in the bottom because I need space uh, for the door to open and close freely. So there should be a 1/4 inch space at the bottom and on the top. You can see here on the top I have space. So I have the same gap everywhere. So here is the same gap. When you go on the top, it's the same gap. And again, when the two drawers comes between the drawer, between the door, everywhere I'm giving the same gap. let's cut the door molding. So this is just flat, and this is the outer side and this is the inner side, and I have to cut 45 inner and 45 right and 45 left, let's call that way. Okay, so pre-fit. So before I stain, almost done, just few tapings are required. Over here I need to tape and need to plug these holes with the wood plugger. All these holes needs to be plugged, so that's the pending work. And I need to tape this edge also. So that's how it looks, and let me show you the draw. So this is a single stage and this is the double stage. So your draw can be extended. Yeah, you have to close one by one draw. So soft close, that works. And still I have to put the molding over here, the design over here, and few designs in the door. I'm going to do that after staining because I do not want the stain to flow from there. That's the reason I'm keeping that pending. And you can see the side, and the back is just flat. And you can notice that the back is going to be flush with the wall. So I made this cut. So this curve where the baseboard will sit in case if the baseboard is on the way. Staining and detailed video about how to make the cobram is coming up in the next video. And I added the lights. Normally this is like 24/7 light what you're seeing now, and when you open you can see there will be extra light. Do you see that? That is the extra light. So I added a switch over here, you can see here. So that's the normal light, all-time light. When you open the door, this light will turn on. So it's quite bright, and that's how I needed it. So I added the bells. You can see how it looks now.